That Golden Tarot, hello. Miss Golden here. Hello. How are you? I hope all is well with you. I hope that you are doing okay on this Wednesday night. I hope that your pets are well. I hope you're healthy. I hope you clean, clean your house, clean up around you if you ain't already. Clean your shit, go change your panties. Somebody go change them panties. Them panties stink. Ew. Or them boxers. I don't know why I said that. Y'all, don't be going around the, no, we ain't gonna do that. So I'm the tarot reader who gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you. Yep. You need to hear it. Ain't nobody else gonna say it but me, so fuck it, I guess I'll say it. Alright, let's see what the collective needs to know tonight. Let's see. Please. Archangel Michael, Gabriel, Ezekiel. Please come to the room and deliver the viewer a clear message. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Should I take these cards? Yes. Upright or in reverse? Reverse. Alright, all of them? Yes. No. How about we fix them and we give it another go around and let y'all do the talking. Okay? Let's make sure our cards are right because I can't stand that shit. You feel me? I can't stand it. And I'll just make it clear right now. This reading is only for upright cards. So anything that comes out is going to be... I can't do that though. I'm learning, guys. I'm learning. I love being a student of growth. Let's go. Queen of Wands, you can always call in your natural confidence. Oh, Queen of Wands is in trouble. Self-destruction, chaos, weakness, lack of clarity. Why is the Queen of Wands in trouble? There's a Queen of Cups with the Magician. Oh. Uh-oh. This ain't... Let's keep going. So I asked, why is this Queen of Cups in trouble? The Queen of Cups comes out. Be open to receive the healing and nurturing. And then the Magician in reverse comes out after the Queen of Cups, and I asked why. The first word on the Magician in reverse is insecurity. This Queen of Wands is insecure of this Queen of Cups. There's an illusion over this Queen of Wands' head that she's spinning herself because she has nothing but time with her. There's a cat. She has nothing but time. There's an illusion here and there's manipulation being done. It's strength. And Page of Cups, don't let your emotions get in the way. Lack of courage, jealous, unreliable, bad choices. The Star upright. This is interesting. So you have someone in your energy collective, whether you are the Queen of Wands, who was looking at this Queen of Cups, who's not paying any attention, except for, is she looking at her hand? Yeah. She's minding her business by the water. Yeah. And she's looking over, still-faced. Doesn't look like she has much going for herself. If I can be honest, with the star that came out, opportunities, renewal, faith, hope, healing, rejuvenation. I'll just read the cards, y'all. Who is this in their energy? The moon, it's hidden. They don't want you to know who they are. But we're going to find out today. We're going to find out today. Who is this in Queen of Cups energy? Justice in reverse. False accusations, injustice, dishonesty. Someone in your energy who's a liar. So if you could think of someone in your energy that has placed false accusations over you, that has caused you injustice, that was dishonest, that was irresponsible, and that could not tolerate, I don't know, life, that's the person. Focus on your goals and bring great success. That's what it looks like this Queen of Cups is doing. Anything else we need to know about this Queen of Wands? Six of Cups, nostalgia, memories, healing, comfort, steady gain, pleasure after hardship. Can I get one more on that card? The Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Oh. Maybe this used to be a friend who you showed up for. The friendship is over. Misfortune, failure, chaos, bad luck, broken sequence, returning again to the same situation. Is this going to change, Spirit? No. It's not going to change. With the Eight of Pentacles, find work-life balance to protect your creativity, education, detail, perseverance, overly careful, apprenticeship, talent, high standards, skill. Yeah, this Queen of Cups has high standards and she has skills and talent and apprenticeship, and she's very careful, she's very detailed, she's very educated, she's very focused, and she will prevail. It's perseverance. Yeah, I think she's let this relationship go for the best with the Three of Swords in reverse. Release, optimism, forgiveness. She forgives whoever this person is. Alienation, distraction, recovery. I wouldn't want to go back to that energy either. And this might be that Queen of Wands. Just this. Cool. Anxiety, anguish, hopelessness, worry, captivity, imprisonment, victimization. So now she's a victim. Frustrated, defensive, anxious. I don't see that working out in Queen of Wands' favor. Unfortunately. What did they do? We could definitely put that with it, but I don't see how that answers the question. But does it? Because it might come out again, and I don't want to do that. But it'll definitely come out again if it does. Superficial, theatrical, distracted, depressed, domineering, bad news, instability. The Sun in reverse, unhappy, negativity, failure, loneliness, need for reflection. All right. I asked what happened, and those two cards came out. The Sun in reverse. Is there anything else that we need to know? The Devil. Bondage, materialism, obsession, shadow self, repression, powerlessness. Yikes. Yeah, with the Chariot, yeah, she's out of her. The Chariot, you have success in the face of difficulty, direction, focus, determination, concentration, triumph, perseverance. There it is again. That's that Queen of Cups. Perseverance. She's focused on something. This person needs to go focus on something. With the Ace of Pentacles, the time is right to take action on your ideas. With the Seven of Pentacles, go take action on your ideas, whoever you are. The relationship is over. The friendship is over. For the best. It's giving Mean Girls, you cannot sit here. But in the best way. Because nobody wants to be partnered with this type of energy. Who lives in their shadow self. And it doesn't look like they'll change that anytime soon with the Strength. I would say run. King of Cups, support yourself before you can support others. Subtle, crafty, wisdom, fierce nature with calm exterior. Considerate, balanced, generous. I see that as the Queen of Cups. For sure. Alright, I'm going to end this here because you got 11 minutes out of me with this negativity. I got to cleanse now because what the fuck is this? I hope this answered your question. If it resonates, cool. Like, comment, subscribe. If this is your energy, if it's someone else's that you may know of. Stand on business though, for sure. Stay golden tarot, stay optimistic. Do your big one, baby. Do your big one. I can make it shake if you make it rain, honey.